Hey guys, Ashish here. Welcome to another Monday session on swing trading strategies. In this video, I'll be talking about how I'm taking the trades for the coming days and whatever which we have discussed in the last Monday call. Every Monday evening at 7 o'clock, I'm recording this video only for you so that it will help you to understand what is my positions and exactly if you can do something similar to that because it will help you to understand how I'm taking the trades. So coming to the market right now, today market is down completely, bloodbath everywhere. And in fact, Bank Nifty was down by almost 1,000 points, but after that, in the last after 2 o'clock, it's recovered a little bit. Sensex was down by 2,000 points. Nifty was down by 500 points. All the stocks was down today, and in fact, my portfolio is also down by almost 3%, and 3% is a big number for me. So my portfolio is down by 3% today, but today is the day of shopping. Yeah, I did a lot of shopping today because a lot of stocks are available at a cheap prices. So I believe today day and for the next few days will be a shopping day for me. I'll be adding a lot of good positions in my portfolio. So that is about my trades which I'm taking for the next, at least for the midterm to long term portfolio. But coming to the market, especially on the swing trading strategies, on the swing trades which I'm taking right now, today if you see this is the big candle today, almost this is a Nifty candle, so almost 500 points of down in Nifty today. So, and if I show you my positions, the current positions as of now, I can show you only one account today, guys. Sorry, I usually trade in two accounts, but this is one account where I'm taking the trade today. I booked some profit of 27,900 in this Bank Nifty trade. If you can see, this is the trade, and there is another trade in USD INR where I booked almost 7,200 rupees. And this is the trade which is still running. I shorted 38,000 call, only 4 lots I've shorted in this account, and there is another trade which is still running. So these two trades are still running in my account, and these two trades have already booked the profit. This one I have already only added just to have the margin benefit. I've added the call just to get the margin benefit in here, right? So last week what we have discussed is I've shown you my position exactly the same way last week. Last week I was taking the trades in the range bound market. I told you that the market will take the, maybe for the next 1 or 2 days, market will spend some kind of time in the range bound market, and exactly something similar happened. If I'll show you the Bank Nifty chart, and this is the area where I told you the market may spend some kind of a range bound movement, and exactly something similar happened there. And I told you in the last video, that is what we discussed. If I'll show you my position in SDFC Bank, I clearly mentioned that as soon as SDFC Bank will close below 1520, this is what we discussed in our last video, that as soon as SDFC Bank will close below 1520, I'll be taking short side trades. I'll be taking some kind of a short side trade. So exactly on this day, if I'll show you, this is the day. This was on Monday I recorded the video, and on Wednesday prices closed below 1520. This was the day. So I closed my trades which I was in the range bound market. I booked the profit there. I booked some good profit there, and since Wednesday I was taking a short side trade. Friday I booked a profit of almost 1,12,000 rupees. Those trades are available in my Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box. If you want, you can join the Telegram channel. So those trades I booked it. After that, I took some of the new trades which I booked it today. So this is one account where I booked the profit. There is another account also where I booked the profit, but I'm sorry, as I said, I'll not be able to show you that account. And the reason is because I did a lot of shopping today. So I'll not be able to show you the positions which I'm holding in my portfolio as of now, but my student knows it very well. If you are one of my student, you knows which stocks I'm talking about, because every time whenever I'm taking trades, whenever I'm adding any of the stocks in my portfolio, I'll try my best to share it with my students also. So that is one thing. But now coming back to the market, what exactly the market right now? See, overall market is still in the uptrend. Okay, market is not in the downtrend. This downtrend which was there from the last few days, if I'll talk about Bank Nifty, this was the market. If I'll show you, yeah, this market, when it started from this area, it was down, right? It was down from the last few days. This was the market, and exactly somewhere around this area I told you that the market downfall will finish now and market will start coming on the upside, and exactly something similar happened. So overall we are on an upside, but yes, now we are seeing some kind of a downside. So this downside, where it will stop, will I close my positions? as of now. See, please understand one point. Whenever the market has to show mm, change the trend, for example, if it is coming on the downside and if it is going on the upside, market never go down and up in a v-shaped format, right? It will definitely spend some time here, and exactly if the market is coming down, it will definitely spend some time here. You're getting my point? Just listen to this very carefully, guys, because this is what it is going to help you, right? If I'll show you what my point is, market will never go up and down in a v shape. Market will definitely spend some time. If you see, this is the area where the market started coming on the down, and after that it spent some time in a range, and then there is an upside movement. Exactly similar. If you see on the upside also, market spent some kind of a days in the range, and this is the area where I traded in the range bound market. And I told you, as soon as SDFC Bank will show close below 1520, I'll be taking short side trades. So exactly something. So now if the market has to go on the upside, I'm not expecting market to go like this on the upside. Market will definitely spend some time. Some time could be a day, could be 2 days, but it has to spend some time. It should not be like from tomorrow we'll see a green candles like this. No, it won't happen like this, right? So my point is, till the time market is not showing me any kind of reversal, I'm on a downside as of now, because if you see, I've shorted some of the calls, but my positions are very limited now because market is already down by a big points now. And if I'll talk about the numbers, I'll talk about individual stocks also, and if I'll talk about Bank Nifty and Nifty also. But point, guys, please understand, these levels which I'm sharing in this video are very, very important. So please note down these, or take a pen and paper, note down, keep this thing on your laptop or somewhere on a desktop, put this numbers, because these numbers are very, because see, the point here, coming every Monday, coming here, recording this video, and if you're not taking the actions, it will not help you, it will not help me also, right? Because I'm spending a little bit of time just to help you guys, so that you will get some kind of a benefit the way I'm taking trades. Okay, so just 2 days back, we have seen the results of Reliance, ICICI Bank, and those results are still good, but still the market is on the downside, right? So what coming to the market now, what I'm expecting from the market for the next few days? If I'll talk about Nifty first, Nifty, I'm not expecting a big downside now, because Nifty is already down. If you see from where it started, and now it started from almost this point, it is there, and now it is there. So I'm not expecting market to again break these levels. I'm not expecting that. So anytime within next 1 or 2 days, or maybe 3 days, we may see some kind of a pause here, and then maybe again we'll see an upside. That is about Nifty. So Nifty, I'm not taking, that's the reason I'm not taking any kind of short positions also, because Nifty, the major weightage is coming from Reliance. And if I'll show you a Reliance stock is also, it's a big down right now, right? If you see this Reliance chart on a daily basis, it's also down now. So I'm not expecting Reliance to go below to these levels now. This is the level from where the prices are taking some kind of a bounce, and I'm saying I'm not expecting prices should close below to these levels. So maybe Reliance will also take some kind of a support in a day or two, and that's the reason I'm expecting Nifty also to take some kind of a support in the next 1 or 2 days. So I'm not taking any kind of short trades in Nifty. And coming back to Bank Nifty, yes, I'm still holding some kind of a short positions. And why I'm holding a short position? Because if I'll show you SDFC Bank, as I said, 1520, this was a level, guys, where I took some kind of a short position in SDFC Bank. But now even SDFC Bank is also almost, I'll say, 50% down from the top, from this level. 50, if I'll talk about this is 0, and if I'll talk about this 100, almost 50% is already down now, right? So I'm not expecting more downside, maybe a day or two more downside, but after that I'm expecting some kind of a bounce in SDFC Bank also. But the next main stock here, which is called ICICI Bank, if I'll show you ICICI Bank has not fallen yet, right? ICICI Bank, if I'll show you, ICICI Bank is still in an uptrend, and ICICI Bank is a good stock. I recommended ICICI Bank exactly at the bottom level, somewhere on these levels. I expect suggested in my previous videos also to take some kind of a long position as the ICICI Bank. And so ICICI Bank, I'm still expecting maybe for a few more days, ICICI Bank may show me some kind of a weakness. So if there is a next downside coming in this week, I'm talking about for the next 5 to 7 days. This is a swing trading video, so I'll be talking about for the next 5 to 7 days. So if in the next 5 to 7 days some kind of a downside will come, it will come from ICICI Bank, right? It will come from ICICI Bank, and next SDFC Bank, Reliance, they may trade in a range or maybe on the little bit of downside, but not big. And so that's the reason. Where is the support level? That's the important question. So if I'll talk about the support level, and if I'll show you Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is one of my favorite index where I usually trade. Still, in case of Bank Nifty, also if you see the downside, which I'm expecting, maybe the prices can go till 35,800 to 35,000, 36,000. Okay, I'll write this number here: 35,800 to 36,000. These 200 points is an important area. These 200 points, right? So these 200 points maybe prices will take, which is somewhere around 36,000 here. I'm saying this is the level where I'm expecting prices will come, spend some time, a day or two, and maybe then start moving up. So this is a very important level for Bank Nifty, right? Keep this in mind. So maybe the short positions which I'm still holding in my account, I'll make close at these levels, and maybe I'll take a pause also, and I'll see how the market will react at these levels. If the price will start again coming on the upside, I will start taking a buy side trades, and if the price will still going on the downside, I will take a short side trade. But here, this is the level where I'm booking my profit, and I'll be waiting for another 2 days. I'll not be taking trades at these levels. I'll see how the market will react. So this is the support level, I'll say. If I'll talk about the resistance level, 38,000. This is the level the prices will take, may face a resistance, and that's the reason. Because if you see, if I'll show you, this is the exactly somewhere on yesterday high. If I'll show you, if you see these two candles, yesterday how high is also somewhere on the same levels. It is 38,000, and today high is also somewhere around 38,000, right? So this is again an area where the prices will show some kind of a resistance. This level I'm talking about today also, and yesterday's high are exactly same, near about same. And this is a big decline coming from the same level, so I'm not expecting the price will again break these levels maybe in the next 5 to 7 days. So 38,000 is my resistance level for Bank Nifty. And if I'll talk about the support level could be 35,800 to 36,000, right? Which is almost 1,000 points from these levels also. Okay, so I hope the point is clear. Okay, so this is how I'll be taking the trades in the coming weeks. My trade is still on the downside. These are the levels where I'll be booking the profit. And but I'm again coming to the portfolio side, guys. This is the time to add good stocks in your portfolio. So this is the time where the big players are also doing shopping. If you see, exactly something similar happened today. Market was down almost 1,000 points in Bank Nifty, but after that it recovered almost 507 points. Okay, so the shopping is going on now. So these are the next few days will be a shopping day for me and my portfolio. And the levels which I mentioned it, please keep this in mind, and we'll get back to you on the next Monday session. Please subscribe to the channel, and if possible, please share it with your friends and circle. Thank you so much. Bye bye.